Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using some products that were sent to me by Hair La Vie to achieve this wash and go. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. So I'm going to start by using the Hair La Vie shampoo. This shampoo contains keratin, horsetail extract, willow bark, soy and wheat proteins, silk amino acids, so it just has a ton of good ingredients. The ingredients in this shampoo help with exfoliating your scalp, rebuilding and nourishing your damaged strands, and also locking in moisture. So next I'm going to go in with the Hair La Vie mask. This mask contains argan oil, keratin again, some coconut oil, and it also contains vitamin E, jojoba seed, and if you guys have been following my channel for a while, you'll know that I always use jojoba oil, so that's a really good ingredient as well. And so yeah, overall this line just has really good ingredients that they use in their products, and I really like what the brand stands for. They really stand for empowering women and empowering our communities, so definitely check out their website and check out the brand. So I'm just making sure I get the mask all the way through my hair and just really working that through. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 45 minutes. You don't have to let your hair mask or deep conditioner sit this long, but I just like to let mine sit for at least 45 minutes to an hour. So I'm following that up with some leave-in conditioner by Mielle Organics and just rubbing that all through my hair, and I'm going to detangle my entire head before I add in my gel. So I'm done detangling my entire head, and I'm just adding a little bit more water. I want to make sure my hair is fairly damp before I add my gel, and so I'm just taking a pretty good amount. I'm using the Eco Styler, the Argan Oil kind, and just working that all the way through, starting at the roots through the ends of my hair. And then I'm going to use one of my favorite hair tools, my Tangle teaser, to help define my hair and define my curls. So I'm just going to work that through, starting at the ends and work my way up to the roots. And so here I'm going to separate my curls just a little bit. I believe this is called the shingling method. I'm not 100% sure, but that is just what I'm going to do to separate my curls. So I'm going to show you guys a few more times the process, but here I started actually detangling my hair first with the Tangle teaser. And then I'm going to add the Eco Styler gel after I've defined my curls some. So you need to sing the song with me. All my ladies, come on. Look in your eyes, there's no stopping me. I want the thought we crack, come rock with me. Do you want your stacks? I got your back. Don't cut them no slack, cause you're like that. Come on. And as you guys can see, I'm not making my sections too small at all. I'm making them about medium sized. So these are what my curls are looking like after using the mask and shampoo and the gel. They're looking so juicy. So it's time to diffuse, and I'm going to be using my Revlon diffuser. And I'm going to start off by diffusing with cold air. And I've recently started diffusing with warm air. I really don't think there is anything wrong with doing that. So, but this particular time I did just use the cold air, and I let my hair air dry the rest of the night. So this is what it's looking like after diffusing a little bit, and I'm going to let this air dry the rest of the night. And so this is what my hair is looking like the next day after it's completely dry. I did have to diffuse a little bit more when I woke up, and as you guys can see, I made a side part instead of keeping that middle part. And so yeah, I pretty much just picked my hair out, and this is the result. So it definitely came out super soft. My wash and goes have been lasting a really good amount of time, at least a week. So I was extremely happy with these results. So check out Hair La Vie, you guys. I'm going to leave the website in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.